First of Morgan's racy Aero GT sports cars is very blue. The first of Morgan's end-of-the-line Aero GT sports cars have rolled off the production line, and it's one of just 8 that will be built. It's also rather blue, Miami blue to be exact, and is heading for Revolution's Morgan in Scotland. Morgan says that the paint finish perfectly complements the aggressive body styling unique to the Aero GT. Morgan's latest model comes against a backdrop of ongoing success at Malvern. The company recently announced a 19% increase in revenue after sales of 770 vehicles in 2017. The Racy GT is a limited edition version of the Aero 8, with handcrafted panels and extra downforce aplenty. Power will come from a BMW-derived 4.8-litre V8, with 367 bhp worth of shove being sent through a 6-speed manual gearbox. A 0 to 62 miles per hour launch time of 4.5 seconds is possible, as is a top speed of 170 miles per hour. Morgan says that since the engine is no longer in production over at Munich, this will be the last hurrah for both the Aero 8 and the naturally aspirated engine the brand uses. Just 8 Aero GTs will be built, but all of them are already sold to existing Morgan customers. Each of the 8 cars has been tailor-made to each owner, and all will have bespoke customer-requested additions, in line with Morgan's handcrafted approach. The Aero GT marks the end of the Morgan Aero 8's 17-year-long production cycle at Morgan's Pickersley Road production site. Every panel of the bodywork has been hand-shaped by Morgan's metalworkers, and features new wing top louvers and a drastic rear diffuser. Appropriately enough, 50+ 8s will be made in this golden anniversary year. More than 6,000 examples of the evergreen V8 have been made since it was first unveiled at the Earl's Court Show in 1968. These are also the last +8s to feature the BMW-sourced V8, and are available with manual or automatic transmissions. The blue Speedster spec pictured is available, or a British racing green version with a soft top, and they all come with a Christopher Ward C1 Morgan +8 watch. Very natty. Prices for the birthday specials are £107,500 each plus local taxes.